Alright, let's catch up. It's been a minute, life's been busy, and the channel has been kind of quiet. But not because nothing has been going on. In fact, it's been the opposite. I've been wrenching, filming, buying, selling, and honestly just trying to find a rhythm with it all. So consider this the official reintroduction to Drive Talk Cars. If you're new here, I'm Ben, regular guy, works a 9 to 5, and somehow I end up daily driving European cars that always needs attention, and I just record the chaos. If you've been around, thank you for sticking with me. I've got a lot to share with you, starting with something that's been long gone. The Aston Martin Rapide S. Yeah, I had an Aston Martin and I filmed a bunch with it. Some repairs, some DIYs, and some stuff in between. I didn't get to polish the edits like I normally would, but the footage, it's valuable, especially if you're into owning or dream of these types of cars. So in the next few uploads, you're gonna see some of that content from the Aston Martin roll out. It might not be that cinematic, but it's real and it's part of the story. After that, we got more. The garage is changed again. So if you're here for that ownership experience, the wins, the breakdown, and everything in between, hit that subscribe button and buckle up because Drive Talk Cars is back.